Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are opening my Petit Vour box for, what month is this? April, I guess. So let's go ahead and crack one in. Now, if you'll remember, last month was actually a very good box, but the month before was terrible. So we're on a very inconsistent streak right now, so hopefully this copies last month and it's good, but we'll see. Here's our card for the month, just like a little botanical print. We're getting 4 items. So let's go ahead and look. The first thing on top, I really hope this doesn't count as an item and this is a freebie, but we'll check the card in a minute. These are the Made to Last organic plastic-free hair ties, consciously created by Kushu. Here's that. And I mean, they feel like hair ties. They don't feel, I don't know, they don't feel very nice, if I'm being honest. They feel kind of cheap, but let's see. These are $8, so these do count as one of our items, which I find highly disappointing. This doesn't do it for me. It says super strong, gentle on hair, stylish, biodegradable. These are plant-based hair ties the world needs right now. And I don't know about the world, but I certainly am not that excited for them. I will be giving them a fair shot, but I'm not excited about this. This hair ties counting as a full product in the box feels a little chinchy to me, is what it is. The second product is the Vour Shine One Stick. This is a shimmer stick. This is in the color Sparkling Rosé. Now I know I've gotten Vour Shine On sticks before. I don't remember if I've had Sparkling Rosé, but I've given every one of these away. First of all, the product always falls out of the tube, which I've found consistent with every one of them. I think I've had 3 of these, but in 2 different colors so far. Product always falls out of the tube, and it's not like the worst product, but it is pretty much just like a little highlighter stick, and I've got powder highlighters, which I prefer, so I never end up keeping these, so I'm not very excited about this. But let's read the description. It's $28 value, so that makes it one of the 2 expensive products we're getting in the box this month. The description says, a buildable and blendable cream highlighter stick with an iridescent finish that glides on easily for on-the-go glow. Its iridescent shimmer finish adds dimension and pearlescent glow to the skin that leaves a gorgeously subtle shine with one swipe while delivering lit from within luminosity for a marvelous no makeup look. I kind of remember them being a little annoying to glide on and not that great, but yeah. So there's the stick. I want to say the pink I had was not that bright, but honestly I'm not gonna know until I look at it, so we're opening it. Okay, so let's give this a swatcheroonie. Like, see, it's just, it's so bright. It's like almost a blush. Like, who could wear that as just an illuminator? I don't think I've had this color. The 2 colors I had was, one was very peachy, it was like a straight peach, and the other one was very pink. And this is more of like a coral, like a pink linen coral with a lot of gold shimmer. This kind of gives me like a NARS orgasm vibe. So this is definitely different than the ones I've had. I will hold on to it and give it a try, but I'm not excited about this at all. The next item is from Eco Lips. It is their vegan Brazilian lip tint, and I guess it's just a lip balm. Let's read the description. $6 value, luxurious with a creamy satin finish. These lip tints feature ethically sourced babassu and prakashi oils, along with kapuasu butter. These are the craziest words. I'm glad they actually put the pronunciation in parentheses on here, but it's just, it doesn't feel natural coming out of my mouth. Anyway, to nourish and moisturize lips. Sounds like good stuff. Let's get this open and see how tinted it is. We'll go ahead and give it a swatch. Okay, so the little seal they use that you have to peel off left behind a very sticky residue, and I don't love that. So that's like a packaging issue, but I really don't love that. And as far as tint goes, it's very sheer. I think you could absolutely use this on the go without needing a mirror. It just looks really hydrating and luminous. I think that's going to be a good one. I'm excited to try this. The last item we have in the box is from MandaPhenom. It's the vitamin C serum. It says it has 8 actives with konjac root, ferulic, and hyaluronic acid. Now, I need to read the ingredient list because MandaPhenom usually has fragrant oils in it. So I am anticipating that I will not be able to use this, but I'm going to go ahead and read the ingredient list real quick. Yeah, so grapefruit is right in the middle of the list. I'm not going to be putting this on my face. I will add this to the giveaway box, but let me read you the description of it. So this is a $30 to $4 value. So this makes it the most expensive item in the box, and it's essentially a waste for me personally. An award-winning serum with a harmonious blend of antioxidants that sinks beautifully into skin to leave it soft and glowing. Utilizing sodium ascorbyl phosphate, an advanced and stable form of vitamin C. This serum works wonders on aging, sun damage, and acne-prone skin. So yeah, I don't put citrus, and it doesn't even say like citrus oil, citrus extract. It just says straight up grapefruit. I don't put citrus oils on my skin. Sometimes I'll do an extract if it doesn't seem the product is very fragrant to the smell, to like the senses, but yeah, I don't put that on my face personally. I just think it's a little too reactive. But let's talk about the box in summary. This is going to be one where maybe my opinion's not the popular one, because I do think there's some items here that people probably would like, but I just am not wild about this box. This is the only item I'm excited about. The chapstick, which is a $6 value, it's literally the cheapest item in the box. This I'm not going to use. This I'll try, but I already know historically I don't like these products. It's just a new color to me, I think. I think it's a new color to me. And these hair ties, I feel like hair is very individual. My hair in particular is very picky, and I don't like getting stuff like this in a box, because I feel like even though it says this is an $8 value, this is probably cents on the dollar to make, and it feels like it should be a freebie and not a full item in the box. I don't love this at all. Not a fan of that. So this box kind of stinks for me. I don't love it. I really don't. I'm gonna give it a D. It's not great. So that's my opinion on this month's Petit Vour box. I hate how we're doing one of these every month, but hopefully that means next month is really good. I don't know. We'll see. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit that subscribe button, and otherwise I will talk to you all later. Bye!